Welcome to our guide on how to get clients on Upwork. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps to kickstart your freelancing career. First, let's create a strong Upwork profile. Your profile is your first impression, so make sure to include a professional photo, a catchy title, and a compelling overview that highlights your skills and experience. Next, choose a profitable niche. Research the market to find areas with high demand and low competition. This will help you stand out. Now, let's move on to writing winning proposals. Tailor each proposal to the job description. Showcase your relevant experience and explain how you can solve the client's problem. Avoid common mistakes like generic proposals or spelling errors. Pricing your services correctly is crucial. Research what others in your niche charge and set competitive rates that reflect your skills. Communication is key. Be prompt, clear, and professional in your interactions with clients. When you land an interview, prepare by researching the client and their project. Show enthusiasm and confidence. Finally, focus on building long-term client relationships. Deliver quality work, meet deadlines, and maintain open communication. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to securing clients on Upwork. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your freelancing journey.